How to fix no internet light on your Sky router. So if you're having issues with your Sky router, maybe you're unable to connect to the internet, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways we can go and fix these issues. Now before we start, we just need to go and check all of the physical connections. So what you want to do is make sure that all of your cables are connected securely to your Sky router, and you also want to ensure that they're securely plugged in both in the router and also the wall socket. So typically you're going to have one power cable that runs from the Sky router into the wall socket, and you're also going to have a second cable that runs from your router over to the Ethernet port. Now you may also have a third cable that runs from your router to your telephone phone line, and this will depend on whether you have a Sky phone as part of your internet contract. So once you've ensured that all of your cables are securely plugged in, what we're going to do is just try restarting the router. Now to do this, you want to unplug the power cable from the wall socket of your router, and you're going to leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. So this is going to perform a kind of soft reset on the router. So after 30 seconds have passed, you can go in and plug your router back into the wall socket. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while your router fully restarts itself, and then what might happen is the internet light may flash amber initially, and then eventually it should turn into this solid green color. Now once you've tried these steps, you can open the internet on one of your devices and you can check to see if you can now connect to your router. Now if it's still not working, the next solution is to go and try performing a hard reset on the router itself. Now to do this, if you come round to the back of your router, you'll notice down here at the bottom we have this reset button. So you'll just need to go and grab something like a pen or something sharp that you can go and press this button with, and you're going to hold this reset button down for around about 20 seconds. So I'm just going to do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to keep holding this button down, keep holding it down. Make sure you've waited that full 20 seconds. And then you can go and release that button, and once again you'll need to wait for the router to go and restart itself, and this will essentially reset your router back to its original settings. So if your router was configured incorrectly or you had some kind of setting that was preventing you from accessing the internet, then this will go ahead and reset all of that. Now if your internet light is still off after restarting the router, it's probably due to a connection problem. So the next thing we're going to do is just go and open up an internet browser on one of your devices. So obviously if you can't connect to your Sky router, you could use the mobile data on your phone, for example. And in a search box, you just need to type in Sky Outage and press enter. And then you'll see this website at the top, check your services service status. Click on this. And then what you can do here is go and sign in to your Sky account. And this is going to check for any local outages in your area. So I can press sign in to begin. And then you'll need to sign in with your Sky account. And once you're signed in, you'll then be able to enter your postcode and check for any local outages. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, then there could be a problem with the actual router itself, in which case you'll need to go and contact the official Sky support team. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.